Next entry. Entry number 13. Huyun Huyun High School. Huyun Huyun, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff, James Byron R. Abilino, Troop Commander. Marina Dianis Sola, Troop S1. Arthur Cernetches, Troop S2. Roland C. Plaso, Troop S3. Lester H. Punto, Troop S4. Noel Bungon, Troop S5. Major Leader, Cassandra Rain B. Zape. DLC Leader, Renz Disaliza. CTP Alpha Company Commander, Simon Samuel Belleca. CTP Alpha Company XO, Joella Fabon. First Platoon Leader, Boys Chomark Mirador. Second Platoon Leader, Boys Rafael Kamay. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Kane Dulay. CTP Bravo Company XO, Claire S. Calio. First Platoon Leader, Girls Nicole Bural. Second Platoon Leader, Girls Merijoy Makalipay. School Head, Hilda M. Carullo. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Marlon A. Orlina. Majors Coordinator, Tommy Z. Tesoro. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Marlon A. Panuncio. Race P. Villesa, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Jose B. Azor, Assistant CTP DRR Facilitator. Emerald Joy P. Esmenda, Assistant Majors Coordinator. Entry number 13, Huyun Huyun High School, Huyun Huyun, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 13, Huyun Huyun High School, Huyun Huyun, Tigaon, Camarines Sur.